Updating your credit card on Merch by Amazon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Merch by Amazon website and log in using your Amazon account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled payment information or billing information. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your credit card details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated credit card information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new payment method. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on Merch by Amazon, keeping your payment details current and ensure smooth transactions for your merchandise sales.